Alright, so I'm starting off with my brows, and I'm using my tried and true Face by Shana Brow Gel Brow Pomade. And oh yes girl, come through with the editing. Alright, so I use it in brown. I normally use it in dark brown, but I brown them the out of the shop, so I don't want them to get. So going with my squad Juvias, yes honey boo boo. And I'm going with that color there. This is the Warrior palette. Yeah. So just wanted to put that color down as like a little base, you know what I mean? You know how we diesel. Then I'm using this color now as a transitional color, just to help everything blend. Now I envisioned a very rich, dark brown smoky eye. This isn't it. So by golly, we're gonna do it. We're gonna do a dark, rich smoky eye. I don't know when yet, but I'm working on it. I'm using my primer, you guys. Oh no, but that's drop asleep on this, you know. This is in the color black. It's from LA Pro Primer, and it's actually their primer. But I'm using it as an eyeshadow base. Love using it as an eyeshadow base. Then whenever I'm blending this out, I blend it from the edges because I have another look coming up where the edges weren't really blended out. Like, oh, this is nice, man. Blend it out, and it looks a little bit harsh, you know, but I still rocked it because I'm rockable. So it was a little bit harsh for me. And then this is the brown that I'm going to go in with. I'm going to flip this brush around because it's a dual-ended brush, and I'm going to go into the fluffier side because I felt like that gave me more coverage, and it just went on easier than using a stiffer brush. And because I'm covering such a large space at the wall of my eyeball, that's what I did. I just used that aspect. Then now I'm just going with the same color again, and I'm going to blend out at the edge. Now this is where I thought the look for me kind of fell, as in it wasn't the rich brown that I wanted, because I blended this color too far down on top of the brown eyeshadow. So yeah, so I'm going in back with the LA Pro Primer in black, and I'm using that to line my eyes. Then I'm going to blend it out or smoke it out with the same pencil brush I used to smoke out on my eyeballs. Then I'm going to with this color, and I'm going to put that right underneath, just to kind of tie in the brown going all over. But I should have used the dark brown, but I wanted like this lightness going like around my eye. That's how I envisioned it. So yes, that's what I did. Yes, no, then I went in with the eyeshadow, the darker brown eyeshadow, and I use it to set the black. So whenever I set like the LA Pro Primer, I find that it lasts longer, plus my eyeshadow tend to run as well. So by setting, it just makes sure it lasts longer on my eyes. These are my lashes, the 6, oh look at that. Yes honey, 6D lashes, boo-boo, and these are in the style called Nana 6D lashes. I'll explain everything to you in a dedicated video, but this is Nana, and I'm completely in love. So the glow that I'll be using is from the palette as well. Completely versatile. I'm so in love with these Juvia's Place palettes. They're so versatile, and I've broken out completely on that side of my face, but after the time of this voiceover, my skin has since cleared up. Thank you. So I'm using this as my glow. Look at the lashes, bruh, make the look. Oh my god, they're so gorgeous. They're gorgeous. So I'm using this a more matte lip cream, and it's from the brand called Milane, and I got this one specifically from Mirror JA Hair in Jamaica, in a jam dong, in a jam rock. It is a matte, and I did 2 lips for this look. The orange was okay, but I wasn't feeling it that much. I mean, look, like she cool, like she aight, like she ready. But this is in disco, what's called disco balls, I think. It's a cover girl lip gloss. It's like a glitterish lip gloss, and then I mixed it with my Juvia's Place concealer in number 13, and then I went back over with it with the gloss, and then I'm going to put my LA Pro Primer in nude on it again. And let me tell you, this lip combo has been doing it for me for the past couple of weeks. It's like a bomb nude. But this is the entire look, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I know it's just 5 minutes, really short, to the point. If you have not registered for my Jamaica classes as well as my classes in Florida, go ahead and do so. Go to my website, LyricRochester International, and if you want to talk to me, you can email at classes@lyricrochester.com. I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Mwah. Bye guys. Big up on yourself. Big up on yourself. I don't quit, I don't